Good morning students, welcome to the English class. Hope all have read the first para of page number 2. Yes or no? You have to read the lesson. You have to read the lesson and you have to practice the hard words. These hard words help you to write the question answers easily. You have to write the answers. It will help you to write the answers easily if you practice the hard words. Understood? Now, first of all of you open your English small copy. Yesterday I haven't given you homework, no? So, please open the small copy. Up to T we have completed, no? Now, write down yesterday's date first of all, 14/9. U V W X Y Z. Please note down the homework. U V W X Y Z. Give finger gap. U V W X Y Z. Now write in next page. Note down today's homework. Write in next page. Note down today's homework. Write down date 15/9. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, up to f. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f. After that, all of you open the textbook page number 2. Today we are going to learn remaining 2 paragraphs. All of you open the textbook page number 2. Lesson 1. All about Rani. Page number 2. So, this is Rani's grandfather, that is her grandmother. She has a book, they play with Rani, they love her very much. So, look at this picture all of you. All of you open the textbook page number 2 and look at the picture given here. See, who is he? He is grandfather. Who is she? She is grandmother. They are grandparents of Rani. They are grandparents of Rani. So, this is Rani's grandfather. That is Rani's grandmother. She has a book. They play with Rani. They love her very much. So, all of you listen. Do you all love your grandparents? Yes or no? Yes. Who is grandfather? Father of your father or father of your mother. We can call grandfather. Next, who is grandmother? Mother of your mother or mother of your father. We can say grandfather and grandmother. Who is grandfather? Father of your father or father of your mother. Who is grandmother? Mother of your mother or mother of your father. They are grandparents. She has a book. All of you look in the picture, see. Look at this picture. She is holding a book. She is reading a book. Even though she is old, she is reading a book. She has a book in her hand. They play with Rani. They love her very much. So, your grandparents will love you, no? Likewise, they love Rani and they play with Rani. Note down these hard words. This is grandfather. This is Rani's grandfather. First one, grandfather. Underline the word grandfather. Second one, that is her grandmother. There small g is mentioned. Grandmother. Second line, grandmother. Third one, book, B-O-O-K, book. Fourth one, play, P-L-A-Y, play. Fifth one, love, L-O-V-E, love. So, Rani's grandparents love Rani very much. They used to tell what your grandparents will do. They will tell you stories. Yes or no? They will give you gifts. Yes or no? Likewise, this Rani's grandparents also love her very much and they tell stories. They play with Rani. Who has a book? Who has a book? Rani's grandmother has a book. All of you read along with me. THIS, this. IS is. RANI apostrophe S, Rani's. GRAND FATHER, grandfather. THAT, that. IS is. HER, her. GRAND MOTHER, grandmother. SHE, she. HAS, has. A, BOOK, book. THEY, they. PLAY, play. WITH, with. RANI, Rani. THEY, they. LOVE, love. HER, her. VERY, very. MUCH, much. So, who is Rani? She is a girl. What is the native place of Rani? What is the native place of Rani? Mumbai. She lives in Mumbai. How old is Rani? Rani is 5 years old. She studies in class 1. About her mother. Rani's mother, she works in a office. She works in an office. She likes to sing. Next, about her father. He is a doctor and he works in a hospital. So, next coming to about her brother. See, look at this picture. He is brother of Rani. Rani loves her brother very much. She likes to play with her brother. What is the name of Rani's brother? Raja. What is the name of Rani's brother? Raja. Now, this is Rani's grandfather. Look at this picture. See, this is Rani's grandfather and she is Rani's grandmother. She has a book in her hand. She has a book in her hand and they love Rani. They play with Rani. So, once all of you read these hard words. GRANDFATHER, grandfather. Second one, GRANDMOTHER, grandmother. BOOK, book. PLAY, play. LOVE, love. So you have to practice these hard words. All of you note down this diary work. Read and practice given words 2 times. Okay, you have to practice these 5 hard words and you have to read second stanza. You have to read this second stanza. Okay, page number 2 you have to read it. Next you have to practice and you have to post these hard words to your concerned class teacher. That's all for today. Thank you.